welcome back. Sugar Bear here. If you haven't already donated, please help me out to make my goal for the 2026 Hoka. You can scan that QR code and donate to the Alzheimer's Association. I'd really appreciate it. So this video is day 9, where we ride through Utah and Wyoming, and this was August 12th of 2024. And we did about 648 miles this day. We made it to our second checkpoint at Flaming Gorge Harley-Davidson, and it's about right there where that arrow's pointing at. And yeah, we saw the Flaming Gorge. That was beautiful. Great spot. We stopped there for a minute and took a break and took a few pictures. And then we moved on, went to the checkpoint, got a shower. They had a shower set up at one of the local health exercise places there in that town. And we kept going, and we made it to basically the east side of Wyoming before we called it a night. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll talk to you a little later. Okay.
Bites hard, chewed down to the bone. This two-wheeled beast is the only home I've known. Gray sky bleeding over this cracked asphalt line, leaving Mississippi troubles far behind. Oh, Alabama wind, sing your lonesome song, pushing me forward where I belong. This iron horse moaning, a low and steady drone. Every mile marker is a ghost of yesterday. Things I should have done, words I didn't say. The engine's warm, but the cold still finds a way. Got a fire in my heart that'll burn for another day. Oh, Alabama wind, sing your lonesome song, pushing me forward where I belong. This iron horse moaning, low and steady drone. Taking me home.
It's pretty, isn't it?
It is.
There's the gorge.
What gorge is that?
That's Flaming Gorge.
The Flaming Gorge.
Mm-hmm. Plus, I needed to take a break for a second. I got to get a sucker out or something. Ugh.
9 o'clock. We're doing pretty good, though.
I'm struggling.
We're almost to freaking the end of this.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
I had me a sucker.
Hey, did you?
Uh-huh.
I've had one this morning already.
I've had one. Just one.
Yeah. I'm going on my second one. Oh, man, what happened to this thing? Jeez.
Arizona sun beating on the glass. Mile marker 225 just blew right past. Saw the canyon crack the earth so wide. Got a restless feeling deep down inside. Oh, this lonely highway's my only friend. Pushing north till this road ends. Chasing a line on a worn out map. Trying to outrun this heartbreak trap. Mule deer stare with ancient eyes underneath those threatening purple skies. Heard the thunder roll, felt the desert shake. Every single mile is a chance I take. Shadows stretch long as the day grows old. A story untold, a future to hold. This desert far behind.
Made it.
Morning.
How are you today?
Doing great. We're here. One more box to check off.
Wyoming wind whipping on my face. Miles melt away without a trace. Big sky, country, wide open road. Carrying a heavy, lonesome load. Horizon dark and storm clouds rolling in. Feel the chill of what's about to begin. Like hills crawling from across the plains. Through the thunder, wind and driving rains. Racing the lightning, feeling the rumble and quake. Every mile for freedom, for goodness sake. Badland sprawl, ancient carved in stone. Riding through reservation, nowhere to phone. Pine Ridge whispering forgotten tales as the sky above me slowly pales. Feel the raw power, electric in the air. Don't know if this engine can get me there. Black hills calling from across the plains. Through the thunder, wind, driving rains. Racing the lightning, feeling the rumble and quake. this wild freedom in my soul. Watch the storm and let it take its toll. Push past the fear, push past the doubt. This open road is what life's all about. Like hills calling from across the plains, through the thunder, wind and driving rains, racing the lightning, feeling the rumble and quake. Every mile for freedom, for goodness sake.
Well, we're calling it a night. We're at a, highway rest stop. Just in the Wyoming side of South Dakota. We're gonna call it a night. Try to push on in the morning. Try to get a good night's sleep, and try to do about 1,000 miles tomorrow. It's gonna be a hard day because we only did 648 today, and we did I think about 580 the day before. So, see you tomorrow. Well, thanks for staying to the end, and hope you enjoyed it. Basically, we stayed at that roadside park, and in the middle of the night, probably 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, the sprinkler systems went off, and again got us wet, soaked. So we woke up in the middle of the night and had to move all our gear out from under the little shelter we were at because it was getting hosed down. Yeah, and then we just packed up and took off into South Dakota. And yeah, day 10 was, I wanted to do it. We wanted to do 1,000 miles, but we didn't even come close because we spent most of the day at Black Hills Harley getting repairs done to Jeff's bike, and then I had them look at my my front wheel bearings because to me it sounded like something was wrong, and they said it wasn't. But when I got my bike back to Houston, they were wondering how I made it to Alaska because they said the bearings in the front were gone. Maybe there was a little bit left, I don't know, but I wish they'd have changed them. Well, I made it. Anyway, hope you come back for the next one. Be sure to scan the QR code and donate if you haven't already, and come back for the next one. If you like what I'm doing, hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Anyway, hope everybody's having a great day, and come back for the next one, day 10, and okay.
It's a dark day to die, hear the thunder in the sky, riding hard, living fast, never asking why. Hope that, hey, hope that, gonna chase that horizon till the